you never feel comfortable. You never feel like you can relax, not knowing where you can stay. So it's quite annoying, this little situation that we've got ourselves into. Okay. Nope, we're getting kicked out. 30.8, that's our maximum that we're in today. So when this strong wind comes and it blows the boat in the opposite direction to which the anchor is set, then it's a little bit concerning that the anchor will unset and not really set properly again.
I've got a bit seasick on anchor.
Moving from the southeast of Tahiti to the capital, Papeete, brought conditions that were very gusty. The wind moving over the island would increase and decrease depending on the landscape of the island. We were very happy to make it into the capital of French Polynesia, Papeete. While here, we needed to apply for an extension to stay for hurricane season and tick off a list of jobs that had been growing for a while now. Morning.
Good morning.
Today is a bit of an important day. We discover if we are going to stay here in French Polynesia for another 3 to 6 months or we're getting kicked out. Should I say I'm getting kicked out?
No.
Isabelle's Swedish, she can stay here for at least 2 years.
Yes.
I am travelling on an Australian passport and a British passport, and they don't really recognise either as being part of Europe.
No.
So we are going to go find out if they're going to let us stay.
Yes. We heard some horror stories yesterday of couples that are not allowed to stay and they're getting kicked out. So we are going to try everything today, this morning, to get us to stay here and being here for hurricane season.
We might tell a few small lies to try and stay. Maybe broken boat or, package delivery.
Which is all true, but we might exaggerate a little bit.
Yeah.
Just to let us stay in this beautiful, beautiful place. Okay. I'm a bit anxious. How about you?
I'm alright. We got backup plans. So
yeah.
If we don't allowed to stay, then we'll head down to Fiji. Not the worst thing in the world.
No. Alright, let's do this.
Okay, so this whole situation with this visa thing is a constant thing Isabelle and I have to worry about. Being from 2 different parts of the world, it is a little bit stressful. Isabelle being Swedish and myself being Australian. It's hard to explain, but you never feel comfortable. You never feel like you can relax, not knowing where you can stay for an extended period of time. So it's quite annoying, this little situation that we've got ourselves into.
Different rules apply to us in different situations, different countries that we're in. So it's really quite tricky.
Yeah, so fingers crossed these guys let me stay. It would really allow us to relax and to film French Polynesia a bit more and explore it a bit more. So we'll see what happens. Immigration?
Go Box Street. Yeah, merci.
Bonjour. Do you speak English? Okay. Okay. She gave us a lot of hope. I gave her my British passport and she said, oh yeah, no worries. And then she went and saw her supervisor. And because Britain left Europe in Brexit, she came back and said, no, it's not possible. We tried to claim broken boat. We tried to claim COVID situation. Nope, we're getting kicked out. Well, I'm getting kicked out. We got 12 days. So we got to fix the boat up, see the rest of the Society Islands, and then head off to Fiji.
Here it is.
This situation of being forced out really affected us in a way we didn't predict. Throughout our 2 years sailing, we had never been rejected from getting an extension on our stay. Okay, Isabelle's just been doing some washing today and luckily she just got it in then because it is blowing like crazy through this anchorage. It really is a compliment to our new anchor which we got in Panama. It's a Rocna 25 and we're very happy with it, but right now it is blowing. Come have a look at this. We push this button here. 30.8, that's our maximum that we're at today. Nice little bit of wind there. Absolute mayhem. Oh, she's so solid. That was a bit of fun. It's a little bit concerning because we set the anchor actually with our arse into the wind. So when this strong wind comes and it blows the boat in the opposite direction to which the anchor is set, then it's a little bit concerning that the anchor will unset and not really set properly again. But we are very, very confident, like I said before, with our new Rocna anchor. I've never felt more comfortable on a sailboat in my life. It's a great thing to have, to just have an anchor which you trust 100%, and that's really what we do these days. It used to be, oh, it's blowing 25, we got to do an anchor watch, and that's not good, you know. You're in town and you see this big storm cell come through and you're stressing, you know. But now that we've got this anchor, it's just worlds of comfort for us. Love it. Just to recap, because I don't think they heard you upstairs. So you're feeling a bit seasick, is that right?
Yeah, I was in the front room folding clothes that I just watched, and yeah, the boat's going like this, so I've got a bit seasick on anchor.
As you can see, we are flat out on this Sunday afternoon. We've just recently discovered that I'm not allowed to stay here in French Polynesia, so we're getting kicked out. And we're just trying to organise a whole bunch of stuff in terms of paperwork getting into Fiji. and getting vaccinated. So we're only half vaccinated at the moment, and to get into Fiji you have to be fully vaccinated. So that's on the cards. Paperwork, repairing boats, servicing engines, the works. Everything's happening right now. And Isabelle just decided to give me a little mask. Baby.
Yes.
What do we think about going to Fiji?
Oh, I'm excited now.
Yeah?
I'm very excited.
Happy days? Don't worry about French Polynesia, just leave them in the dust. And we get to the real paradise. Is that right?
After I've been to Bora Bora, I could just, leave it behind me.
Okay.
Yeah. Does anybody just love Kieran's...
No, we don't need to show this again. This has been shown already. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. So now you're moving around to the light. Is this like a photo shoot I'm doing?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Isabelle. Yes, this is my
the side profile.
money maker right here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm done.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad in the hurt.
Hello, people.
Hey, what's
G'day,
going on?
and welcome.
Welcome to
another school segment.
School segment.
Are you gonna say?
Are you gonna?
Really?
Really? It's been a while since we've done a patron shout out, so today we are going to shout out those little legends that make this all possible. We love all our subscribers, but especially our patrons.
Yes.
You mean the world to us,
They're
and you
very,
make
very
this
dear to us.
make this possible.
Yes, truly.
So,
Without further ado, Bill H, welcome and thank you.
welcome, Bill. We've been talking to you.
Yes.
Legend.
Joe B, welcome. Sea Lord.
Sea Lord. Hey,
Yep.
it's good to be Lord of the Sea.
Trond H.
I thought that was a Swedish name. I thought you'd
I
know.
think it's Norwegian.
Okay.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Trond.
Welcome and thank you. Rosanne R, Simon L, and Yao.
Yao.
I want to say Yao.
My name's Ashley S.
No, it's not. Thank you, Ashley, for
Thank you,
signing up.
Ashley. Bill L. PJ. Luca M. Jake G. Chimmy. Michael J. Hope that's not Michael J. Jackson, but yeah, it could be. And Max. Welcome all you bloomin' legends. We can't thank you enough for signing up to be a patron.
Yes.
You are getting access to all our extra content which we're putting up.
And we're talking to you at the present moment.
And we're talking to you at the present moment.
Yes.
We did a service on our winches in French Polynesia. We did a service on our engine in French Polynesia. And you guys have access to that. Well, nobody else does. So, lucky ducks.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for signing up and supporting us. It means the world to us. Thank you so much.
Have a good week, and we'll see you next Monday.
Yes. See you guys.
Don't give up, just hold on tight, it'll be alright.
Oh, how you doing? Oh, turning it on. Look out. Oh, cousin, it's back in the house. What's cooking good looking?
Today we're making burgers.
Yeah, what mouth are the burgers gonna go into?
Oh, you know, that one.